The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with NEET Mentor Counseling and make your NEET PGMBBS Counsel dreams come true. Download the app now.
Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So today the court hearing in Madras High Court regarding NMC bill happened and the decision has not been released yet. The judgment is reserved and we will know in the coming days when they are going to pass the judgment or any further hearing. Okay. So right now the argue happened between both government bodies and government body and private colleges representative. So as per the private college representative, it's violation of article 14 which says equality before law. Okay, because as per NMC bill, the tuition fee in the private college 50% seats will be equivalent or equal to the tuition fee in the government college. Suppose in one state the tuition fee, maximum tuition fee is around 2.5 lakhs. Okay, and in some other state it's 50,000 or 60,000. So there will be difference in the fee structure for government seat in private college in the neighboring states. Okay, and it will end up collecting more than one college in other state. Okay, so this sort of argue happened between both parties, and Mr. Raman, who says that private college can't pay the additional fee out of their pocket and let the National Medical Commission pay the subsidy to the private institution if they want them to collect only government fee for 50% of the intake. So private colleges showed their intention, okay, that they are not going to take only government tuition fee for the 50% of seats, and the institution can't run. Okay, so the arguments has been heard, but the judgment is reserved. Okay, maybe due to availability, because last day we knew that one of the judge was not available, was on vacation. So depending on the availability of all the parties, all the stakeholders there, we will have a next date, and next date we can get decision or it can be delayed further. So as the time getting progresses and we are reaching day by day near to 1st of September, it's looking more obvious that NMC bill is difficult to get implemented from this year. Okay, so you can keep your hopes about the NMC bill accordingly. Okay, because it can't happen over the night. Okay, because if the colleges are not ready to accept this fee reduction, okay, then how the government is going to convince them, or like giving the subsidy or any sort of approach. Okay, because that much subsidy, if the tuition fee is 60 lakhs per year, so government can't pay that much amount from their pocket in each and every state. It will be huge amount. Okay, they need to adjust their budget for different sectors. Okay, so with that sort of discussion, it ended today, and I will update you when next hearing gonna happen or any judgment is gonna come on particular date. Okay, we will come to know one day, at least 1 or 2 days prior to the hearing date. So thanks for watching, and if you are still looking for paid counseling guidance, our slot is still open. You can call us on the number 9319128677, and you can avail the paid counseling guidance. Still so many days are there, so you can finalize your approach and how you can implement that approach to get best possible DNB hospital or government college or private institute. Okay, where you have good hands-on and practice and good education. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.